Should I have Glenn do his name and title first? Okay, so yeah, just give your name and title.
Glenn Laxdal, Vice President of Advanced Technology Solutions, Ericsson.
All right.
Can you spell your
First, Glenn, Laxdal.
All right. We're good? This is Dan Meyer with RCR Wireless News at the CCA show here in San Antonio. I'm here with Glenn Laxdal, who is the VP of Advanced Technology Solutions at Ericsson. Glenn, thanks for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Great.
Good to be here.
Great. Let's start off, I guess, with, I know you gave a keynote address this morning, which is on our website. I think we live streamed it today, but maybe, I guess, a quick overview of your keynote, kind of the main topic points of your keynote address this morning.
Yeah, well, what we talked about was that the world is going mobile and that the pace of change is accelerating, and we talked about some of the technologies that Ericsson is introducing to help carriers, both big and small, deal with that change. And so we started with what's going on the LTE front, that we're starting to turn our attention more and more to in-building coverage now, and have announced a new product that we call the Radio Dot System to provide cost-effective in-building solutions relative to DAS. It's a much more cost-effective way, delivering an in-building solution at half the cost per bit of DAS, and can be deployed in a third the time. So we're pretty excited about that product launch, and we think that applies to carriers both big and small. We also talked about a concept that we're starting to discuss with our carriers called app coverage, which is ensuring that we've got the appropriate level of wireless coverage to meet the needs of whatever application a user wants to be using on their device. We talked about the cloud and the introduction of some of the new cloud-enabled technologies that are going to be embraced in the network function virtualization and SDN, that will of course start with the larger carriers and then move down into the smaller attack carriers over the next few years. We talked about OSS and BSS transformation being very important to increase the velocity of service provisioning in customers' networks. So we've got a flagship product that we're calling Service Agility that enables a catalog-based approach to service provisioning, dramatically reducing service provisioning time for carriers. And finally, we talked about our customer experience assurance data analytics platform, which we're bringing to market this year to enable customers to better analyze the customer experience management down to the device level, down to the application level, because network performance and customer experience management is becoming critically important for all carriers, big and small.
Yeah, makes sense. Great, thanks so much.
Yep.